Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bebe Essentials here. Hey guys, I was just walking out of my house and I realized I have this beautiful palm tree that have some beautiful dry leaves, and next thing you know, I said to myself I can make something pretty with it. And I caught a big branch of these dry leaves and I said, you know what, I'm gonna make something I can use indoor or outdoor of my house. It doesn't have to really cost you a lot to make beautiful stuff. So here I am using this piece and I hope you guys like it. So please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. Let's have some fun now. For this part, I literally had to go get a wire cutter because it was so tough with the scissors, and now it's good. I use the wire cutter. Another thing, I use gold sprays and silver spray. You can use any kind of spray you like, but I use this company. So after spraying it, I'm gonna be using tacky glue and Mod Podge and mix them and put glitter, apply glitter to it and make it even better. So stay with me guys and see how it looks, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and then I promise you I won't disappoint you. This is one way to put it, another way to put it. So as you can see guys, it's still very cute yet simple to make. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. Until next time, ciao.